Hey y'all, it's Fantasia. Welcome to my channel, Sewing with Tay. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I am making a new video. Today's a sewing video. Sorry to my knitters. Today is a sewing video. I am going to an event called WonderBall. They have it every year here in Columbus, Ohio at the Columbus Museum of Art. And I have never been and I always want to go. But one, I always forget about it or don't realize it's coming up. And two, the tickets is pricey for me. The tickets is pricey for me. So I have never splurged on this event. But this year in 2024 is more about networking, getting out there, working on different types of garments or some of my goals and my 12-week plan. So I am going to make a dress today, and I'm starting early because the event is Saturday. Today is Monday, so I hope to have this dress done in the next couple of days because I actually have orders for this event. So let me work on my dress first and then I'm gonna work on theirs. And I forgot to mention, if you're new here, I make videos about sewing, sew-alongs, DIYs, lifestyle things like my hair, my gym life, my kids. Yeah, if that's your cup of tea, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I make new videos. So I'm gonna use her. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna use a store-bought pattern or if I'm just gonna drape on real quick. I don't know if I feel like draping, so I'm gonna see what I got. I have a crazy amount of patterns. I should have something. My plan is I'm gonna make a dress that looks like this. Put a little picture here. I actually saw this dress first, and then I saw, I'm pretty sure Niecy Nash wearing the same dress, and I'm like, oh, this is cute. But the theme for WonderBall is always like black and white. Didn't know that. It's always like black and white, but this year it's like metallics. So I got this like gold piping, and I hate buying fabric online. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. I'll give y'all a list one day of my favorite online stores, but I hate buying fabric online, and Columbus, Ohio doesn't really have a lot of fabric stores. So I realized that I kind of waited too late and I didn't have time to order fabric from my place that I like to order fabric from. So I went to Amazon. It came 2 days late. And it's dang near see-through. I'm like, gotta make it work. This is for one day. I've already spent $150 on the ticket. I think I'm gonna be overdressed anyways. It's okay. So the plan is, I want to make a bodice, like a corset, not a lace-up, just like a bodice with boning, etc. A paneled, princess seamed, strapless dress with this really, I'm gonna say really stiff, that's the goal, but like these conings, what's somebody call it? Mermaid? Not a mermaid. Umbrella or something like that. Umbrella coning skirt. You guys see the inspiration image. That is the goal. We'll see where it gets from A to Z. So I decided that I was tired the other day and I actually did not do anything. So it's now a day later and I decided that I didn't feel like draping a pattern, so I bought one. Well, it's kind of not I bought one, I bought it previously. So this is the pattern. I had to print it out and I taped it all together. I checked the measurements and they look okay for my body, so I don't think I'm gonna have to do a ton. I probably have to nip tuck, but this is the pattern I'm about to show you. I'm gonna cut it out and then I'm gonna start on my like under layer of the dress, which would just be like a corset kind of. Here is my pattern. All of the pieces are put together, so I am just going to cut it out. So this is my center back, my side front, and my front panel. I am going to start by making a copy of like the top half of these because I want to make a separate bodice to go inside of this. Okay, now that I've gotten the bodice attached, I'm going to just put the zipper in so I can slip this on and decide if I need to do any other nip tucking. And then the bottom is going to take some time. I think I'm going to measure this, and then I'm going to divide it by whatever, and then cut out some triangles for the skirt. And the accents for this thing is gold, or no, metallics. So I got this gold trim. Don't really know what I'm going to do with it yet. So I'm trying to figure out where to put the gold trim. I'm going to put it somewhere, and then hopefully be done with this dress. I knew someone who was closing a boutique, and she gave me a bunch of these jumpsuits, black jumpsuits with like satin skirts, and I'm going to repurpose all of this wonderful satin for my dress because I'm on a bougie. So here's my sweep. It's 22. This is the back of the dress, and this is the front. I am going to divide 22, which is 44. I'm going to divide it by 6 and decide how wide my panels need to be for the bottom of the dress. And I think I will add a lining in the skirt. I will add a lining in the skirt because this free floating facing keeps popping out.